Okay, so we have basically two examples which will help us understand why are rights important. In 1982, during the construction work for Asian Games, the government engaged a few contractors. These contractors employed a large number of very poor construction workers for different parts of the country to build the flyovers and stadiums. These workers were kept in poor working condition and were paid less than the minimum wages decided by the government. Now, what are they saying? See, when Asian Games were to be conducted in India in the year 1982. So basically, what did government do? Government actually hired few contractors, okay, to whom we give contract generally. So what did these contractors do? These contractors hired workers, and then these workers were supposed to make flyovers and stadium. But what is one thing we need to understand here, that these workers were kept in a very poor condition, and also they were given less than the minimum wage decided by the government. Now, what is a wage? WAGE. Okay, what is a wage? Wage is basically which a workers get on daily basis. Okay, जो daily का दिहाड़ी होता है, that is called your wage. So our government has decided that at least this should be a minimum, minimum wage for any laborer. So what were these contractors doing? They were not even giving them the minimum wages decided by the government. So this minimum wage can actually change from a period of time to time. Let's suppose if the minimum wage was 70 in the year 1982, so they must be getting around, you can say, even 20 or 30 or 50 and things like that. Plus they were not even given basic facilities to live in. A team of social science studied their poor condition and petitioned the Supreme Court. They argued that employing a person to work for less than the minimum prescribed wage amounts to beggary or forced labor, which is a violation of the fundamental rights against exploitation. The court accepted the plea and directed the government to ensure that thousands of workers get the prescribed wages for their work. Now understand what is the petition. What happened basically, there was a team of social scientists who actually studied about the condition of these workers, and they actually filed a petition in the Supreme Court. So generally petition is a formal written request for judicial action. Judicial, that is judiciary's action. And see, petition, you will many of the examples when you will see petition is usually not filed by the actually victim. If suppose I feel anything is happening wrong in my society or around my society, so I can always, like individuals or group of people can always file a petition in the court. Generally petition फाइल कौन करता है? जो उसमें इन्वॉल्व नहीं होता, बट वी आर actually concerned about it, और वो हमें harm कर, that thing can be even harming us or may not be harming us. Okay, so you need to remember petition is always filed by the other party. All right, so generally social workers or aware citizens or these kinds of people, they file petition. So a petition was filed where? In the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court actually then looked out in the petition, and the court gave the directions to the government that these workers' conditions should be looked upon. And see, we have this fundamental rights. They are saying if you are giving someone even less wages than the prescribed wages by the government, this is actually beggary. You are actually making a person to beg. You are actually making forced labor. आप लेबर से ज़बरदस्ती काम करवा रहे हैं. So it is that kind of condition. So which fundamental right is being violated here? That is the right against the exploitation. You cannot exploit someone. Okay, so the social scientist team, it actually had a petition in the court, and they said that workers were actually exploited. So due to this petition, they actually gained their fundamental rights. So what are they showing here? You have your fundamental rights, but then you are not aware. So someone else is helping you to gain your fundamental rights. So that is why rights are important. Now here dignity was not there to people, right? Their development was not there.